Hi, this is Dr. Mariza Snyder, and I am here to show you one of my go-to sleep remedies when it comes to getting to bed at night. I don't know about you, but there are nights where I am trying to fall asleep and that mental chatter or that to-do list or that worry list begins to pop up, and I need to shut it down. Now, I do typically recommend a full-on sleep ritual, and I have tons of those in my book, but what I want to focus on today is specifically the restful sleep spray blend. Now, I love to spritz this blend on my mattress, on my pillows, even just in the air around me in the room, because it sets the tone for calming, and the oils in this blend are phenomenal for helping to shut down that mental chatter, shut down that to-do list, and get you to bed quicker, because there's nothing like deep, restful sleep to ensure that our bodies are functioning every single day. So the first step is grabbing a water bottle, just a little spritz bottle. This is a 2-ounce water bottle. You can pretty much get them everywhere, and I filled it up with water. Now you can add a little bit of rubbing alcohol as well, because again, oils are lipophilic, they're fat-loving, and they don't like water so much. So if you want to add a little bit of alcohol to just help them emulsify, you can. In this particular blend, I don't have alcohol in it. I just shake it up every time I use it, and it still works for me with no problem. Now, this blend requires 3 essential oils, and the oils are gonna be ylang-ylang, clary sage, and lavender. So let's start by adding the oils in, and then I will show you how to use it. So lavender oil is gonna be the first oil that we use, mainly because it is all things calming. So we're gonna do 8 drops of lavender into the blend, into the spray bottle. Here we go. All right, so now that we've got the lavender in, we're gonna then add 5 drops of ylang-ylang. Now, ylang-ylang is sweet and wonderful. It's known as the heart oil. It is great for hormone support, but also great for just shutting down the brain. We're gonna do 5 drops of ylang-ylang. Just kind of sweetens up the blend. It always just smells so good in this spray. And then we're gonna use 5 drops of clary sage. Now, clary sage is known as the hormone of essential oils, but we want to use it also for just calming the brain down and getting a restful night's sleep. So we're going to do 5 drops of clary sage. It has a very woody aroma, which makes it really lovely as well, and it really blends well with the lavender and the ylang-ylang. Next, I'm just going to cap the little spritz bottle. I'm going to mix it up like this. And then, again, you just start to spray everything around you, including your husband or your wife or whoever it may be. You could spritz them as well. I know my husband used to, when I came home from at night and I would just be amped up, he would just start spraying me with this blend. So not only is this blend great for restful sleep, but it's also incredible for decreasing stress levels and kind of just shutting the brain off. So I hope you enjoy this blend as much as I do. And remember, it's great for about a half hour to an hour before bedtime. We're just trying to tone things down, and it's great for kids as well. You can spritz their bedding, you can spritz their pillows, you can spritz around their environment. And this makes a really fun ritual for the entire family to get ready to go to bed. Well, I hope you enjoy this ritual as much as I do, and I can't wait to continue to be a part of this amazing journey with you.